So, andito tayo ngayon sa Avida Towers, Altura to check a new foreclosed condo unit. But before that, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. So, this is a studio unit, Avida Towers, Altura. Around 22 square meters. And as you can see, the unit is actually in good condition. Good as brand new, and it looks like nobody has lived here. And facing amenity area po siya, or swimming pool. And then meron din po siyang view ng Laguna de Bay. So this condo is ideal for those who are working in Alabang CBD, especially in Asian Hospital, and then yung mga BPO sa may Alabang area. And this is available in cash, or at least 5% down payment, and then 95% balance bank financing, exclusive of taxes and fees. So for as low as 5% down payment plus taxes and fees, pwede na po tayo maka-move in. This is as is where is basis also upon turnover. So if you are interested to make an offer and schedule a viewing appointment, please message us directly. This is for bidding.
Ilan ang swimming pool niya, kuya? Ito lang? Tsaka yun. Wow. Ano yung meron dito? Parks and playground.
Outdoor na gym.
May indoor gym din. Saan yung gym niya? Doon sa kabila. So meron siyang outdoor gym. Ganda ng swimming pool, natatakpan ng building pag hapon. Oo, ayaw ng araw pala. Ito yung adult pool niya, no? Kiddie pool and playground. Kuya, ano yung ginagawang building na yon? Avida rin yan? Tower 3? Ah, okay. So yun yung indoor gym niya.